starter video this week. Redford's Alfa Romeo last week, so now we'll introduce this car. It's quite a nice one. It's Leese's Audi A3 Saloon. It's a 1.6 litre TDI. It's S-line, and yeah, we'll just go show you right now. So yeah, as you can see guys, it's a very nice car. It's a 2014 plate. To give you a quick walkthrough, it's got a nice sized boot. We've got 5 doors. We've got a nice interior. With the S-line you get the nice looking seats and all the steering wheel, everything like that. It looks nice in there like. And then obviously red, a bit lower on the suspension. You've got nice alloys. You got the S-line logo on the side. We got a nice little video of it from the front. But yeah, it's looking pretty standard at the minute, so we're going to do quite a lot of nice mods to this, but you'll see them in the coming videos. So now we'll just start the montage, and that'll be it for this video. We'll get a new one out on this pretty soon, as soon as he starts buying the mods. So see you in the next one.